Hello everyone, we are Locanam Additive Manufacturing Technologies and we love SLS 3D printing. Recently we have launched a low-cost desktop SLS 3D printer and we hope you like it. This year a lot of companies will be entering the desktop SLS market space and we will be one of them.
GantriX consists of three major sections: the ground section, the middle section, and the top section. Now let's take a brief look at each of them.
The ground section houses powder bed and print bed motion system, the overflow bin, and the print bed heater. The middle section contains the high-speed powder recoater, the halogen heaters, the infrared temperature sensor, and the environment temperature sensor. The top section consists of the CoreX Laser Gantry, the air cooling system, a 3.5-inch touchscreen display, the halogen heater temperature controller, and the electronics compartment. Now, let's dive deeper into each of these systems to understand how they work together, starting with the ground section. Both the powder bed and the print bed operate with ultra-fine powder and require precise vertical movement. To ensure they remain completely sealed during operation, we've implemented a spring-loaded mechanism which stops the powder leakage completely during bed motion. To prevent thermal stresses and powder leakage, the powder and print beds feature rounded corners instead of sharp edges. Both beds are driven by powerful stepper motors and lead screws, enabling precise vertical movement layer after layer. The over powder bin features a gravity-based design that simplifies post-print powder recovery. Thanks to this unique setup, users can easily collect and recycle and use powder without needing to detach or remove the bin. Just open the airtight lid at the designated outlet, and the powder flows out effortlessly. The print bed heater is mounted directly on the print bed container. It helps keep the part thermally stable. Our powder recoater system is driven by a rack and pinion mechanism, which provides faster and smoother layer change. GantriX features advanced halogen heaters that efficiently and evenly preheat the powder bed before each layer is sintered. These heaters are intelligently managed by a high-precision infrared sensor that continuously monitors and regulates surface temperature. Unlike conventional systems which gives flickering lights, GantriX employs smooth dimming control. This ensures thermal stability across the entire build area. This sensor acts as a crucial safety feature by continuously monitoring the ambient temperature within the print chamber. If the temperature exceeds the predefined limit, it automatically shuts off the halogen heaters to prevent overheating. GantriX is equipped with a CoreX Laser Gantry featuring a 5-watt diode laser. It is responsible for tracing and sintering each layer of the printed part with precision. GantriX uses an active cooling system to maintain consistent performance. 4 high-speed 18-watt AC fans cool the gantry, laser module, and IR sensor above the print bed, while an extra 18-watt fan keeps the electronics compartment at a stable temperature. GantriX features a 3.5-inch touchscreen LCD display that serves as the central interface for essential machine operations. Through this intuitive panel, users can insert G-code files, start or stop print jobs, manage the ground heater temperature, initiate homing procedures, control powder bed preparation, and perform precise axis movements with ease. The machine processes are divided into 2 categories: pre-printing steps and post-printing steps. Let's start with pre-printing steps. First, connect the machine to a 220 volts and 50 Hz power source. Prepare the print file by watching our Slicing for SLS GantriX tutorial on YouTube. The link is in the description box. Export the print file to the SD card. Then insert it into the touchscreen. Before moving forward, make sure all the axes are at their designated locations by homing them. Now let's open the top box. Now, when the powder bed is at its home position, we need to move it downwards to fill the required amount of powder. The downward depth is twice the printed part height. For example, if the part takes 5 millimeters height, then we need to send the bed till 10 millimeters depth. This extra amount of powder assures proper layer recoating. Now, fill the powder bed. Also fill some powder in the print bed. Now, run the recoater and your print bed is set. Use a glass cleaner and a clean cloth to wipe the laser glass and IR sensor. This removes any accumulated powder particles. Now, close the top box and engage the toggle latches. Ground heater temperature is set via the touch screen panel. And to enable halogen heaters, press and hold the run key on the halogen temperature controller. The machine will now begin the preheating cycle, which takes approximately 45 minutes. Please wait while the internal temperature reaches optimal printing conditions. After the preheating cycle, you can start the print. We're printing an automobile air vent in this video. You can print any other part by following the same instructions. Before extracting the print cake, the machine requires a cooling time of around 2 to 3 hours. This step is recommended to preserve the material properties, helping to prevent warping, improve dimensional accuracy, and surface finish. Take an empty box beneath the over powder bin. Then open the airtight lid. Now the whole powder will be collected in the box, then close the lid again. Place the collected powder into the sifting container and securely close the lid. Start the sifting process and continue until all the powder has been completely filtered. Once finished, open the lid and transfer the sifted powder into an airtight container to protect it from moisture.